Tuk, 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 here we go with our friends, away we roll. Max and Rev and Penny too. Scoot is here to play with you. Beep, beep, ring, ring, come and see. Tuk, tuk, tell us adventures with me.
The sun woke up big and yellow. Tuk-Tuk rolled out of bed with a happy little beep. Today was a sunny beach day.
What a beautiful day, said Tuk-Tuk softly. The sand is warm and yellow. Let's call our friends.
Down the path came Scoot, the little purple scooter. His tiny star flag waved in the breeze. Hello, Tuk-Tuk. I'm here to play.
Then Penny pedaled up, the sweet green bicycle with a little basket. Good morning, friends. What a lovely beach.
The three friends looked out at the sea. The water was a soft, sparkling blue. It rolled in slow and gentle.
The sea is so blue, whispered Penny. It looks like the sky took a swim, giggled Scoot. They all laughed together.
Let's build a sandcastle, said Tuk-Tuk. The friends rolled to a soft patch of warm yellow sand. It was perfect for digging.
Penny scooped up soft sand in her little basket. She tipped it gently into a fluffy pile. Here comes the bottom of our castle.
Scoot patted the sand round and round. Tuk-Tuk smoothed the walls nice and tall. Slowly the little castle began to grow.
Look at our castle, cheered Tuk-Tuk. It had 2 little towers and a tiny door. It's the prettiest castle on the beach.
Just then, Penny spotted something in the sand. Look! Pretty seashells. There were shells scattered all around.
Let's count them together, said Tuk-Tuk kindly. He rolled to the first little shell. This one is number 1.
Scoot rolled to the next shell. Here is number 2, he said proudly. 2 shiny shells sat side by side.
Penny found another smooth shell nearby. That makes 3, she said with a smile. The friends were having so much fun.
Tuk-Tuk peeked behind the sandcastle. Here is number 4, hiding in the sand. Everyone clapped happily.
Then Scoot saw one more by the water's edge. And that's number 5, he cheered. 5 little shells, all in a row.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, said Penny softly. We found 5 lovely shells. They placed them gently in her basket.
Suddenly Tuk-Tuk gasped with delight. Oh! Look down there! Something bright and orange rested in the sand.
It was a starfish, round and orange like the sunset. Hello, little starfish, said Penny gently. You are so pretty.
The starfish had 5 little arms, just like their 5 shells. It looks like a star, said Scoot. They smiled at their new friend.
Soon a gentle wave rolled in. The friends waved goodbye as the starfish floated back to the sea. Bye-bye, little star. Near the water sat 2 sand buckets. One was big and one was small. Look, they are not the same size, said Tuk-Tuk.
This bucket is big, said Penny, tapping the tall one. And this one is small, said Scoot, by the tiny one. They giggled.
They filled the big bucket with lots of sand. Then they filled the small bucket with just a little. Big holds more, laughed Tuk-Tuk.
The warm sun shone down. The friends felt a little hot. Let's go and splash in the sea, said Scoot happily.
They rolled to the edge of the soft blue waves. The cool water tickled their wheels. Ooh, it's lovely and cool.
Splash, splash, splash. Scoot bounced in the little waves. Sparkly water flew up like tiny diamonds. He laughed and laughed.
Tuk-Tuk splashed too, gentle and slow. The waves go in and out, he said. They tickle my wheels and roll back to sea.
The friends played and laughed in the water. The blue waves whooshed softly back and forth. It was the best splashing ever.
After all that fun, the friends felt hungry. I brought a yummy snack, said Penny. From her basket she lifted a watermelon.
They sat together on the warm yellow sand. Penny shared the watermelon, pink and sweet and juicy. Yum, thank you, Penny.
This watermelon is so juicy, said Scoot. Sharing makes it taste even better, smiled Tuk-Tuk. They munched happily.
The sun began to dip lower and softer. The sky turned warm and golden. What a wonderful beach day, sighed Penny happily. They tidied up their things with care. Penny kept her 5 little shells safe in her basket. We will remember this day, she said.
The friends rolled to the edge of the sea one last time. Goodbye, Blue Sea, said Tuk-Tuk softly. Thank you for the fun.
They all waved their happiest wave to the waves. The sea whooshed softly, as if waving back. See you soon, called Scoot.
Then the 3 friends turned toward home. They rolled along the warm yellow sand, side by side. Their wheels left little tracks behind.
That was the best beach day ever, said Tuk-Tuk happily. They sang a little song as they rolled home together.
The yellow sun gave one last warm glow. Tuk-Tuk and his friends were sleepy and happy. What a sunny, special day it was. Goodbye, little friends. Sleep well and dream of sand and sea. See you next time on Tuk-Tuk Tales.